First Warn 5 weather with Matt Holliner.
Well, it's still raining in Florida. They can't catch a break, although in some cases they don't want to break because especially in South Florida, they actually had drought conditions. It was unusually dry, so they're enjoying the rain. But the problem is now it's getting a little bit old, and with more rain expected today, that ground is really saturated. So flash flooding becoming more of a threat, and not just for Florida, but on into the southeast. It's that same disturbance that's still unorganized. So that means since it hasn't gotten organized yet, the chance of it becoming a tropical depression, a weak tropical storm, is almost zero. Notice just a 10% chance. It's still offshore, so as long as that circulation is still offshore, yes, it could happen. But the chances drop because now you've got some land interaction to the north. We've always had that land interaction to the east of the system, but now you got land interaction to the north too, so that makes it almost a 0% chance that it's going to form. And even if it did, if that 10% chance did work out, it really wouldn't make a difference. This is going to be a rainmaker and a flash flood threat that will continue for the southeast with multiple days of rain still expected. Unfortunately, we can't have any of that rain move it over here. We are going to be dry and really wanting some rain. Partly cloudy and patchy fog 7 a.m. this morning, and that's going to be the peak fog time from 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. Starting at 8 a.m., that fog is already going to be mixing out. And keep in mind, I say patchy fog because not everybody's going to see it, but some may encounter some light fog. But I do think it's all gone by 9 a.m. Now, still some partly cloudy skies. We're seeing some clouds stream in from the north, but I don't think any clouds that we do see are going to last. I think much of the day is going to feature mostly sunny skies. There'll be a few clouds out there, but more sun than what we've seen the last couple days. And I think by the late afternoon, we may have a period of just plain old clear skies. Highs around 96, a little bit warmer than yesterday, but the humidity a little bit lower. So that means it's kind of even out, and it's going to feel like 98 today, and that's what it felt like yesterday. So prepare for another day like yesterday, just with a little bit more sun. Partly cloudy tomorrow morning, and I don't think we're going to be dealing with fog tomorrow because there's going to be a little bit more of a breeze. So there's just going to be some low-level clouds in some spots to start the day, and those aren't going to last. Mostly sunny by 11 a.m. and then becoming completely sunny again in the late afternoon. Once again, feels like temperatures around 98. Want to take a look at Friday? Well, more of the same. Partly cloudy in the morning, becoming sunny in the afternoon. The one difference, I do think it's going to be pretty breezy on Friday, more so than what we've seen the last few days. Yes, there's been a breeze, but I think you're going to notice it a little bit more on Friday. That actually is going to help us. Notice the heat index, only 97. A little bit better. It's small victories, folks, small victories. 96 is going to be our high temperature today. It's going to be mostly sunny, and it's going to feel like 98 when you factor in the humidity. 10 to 15 mile per hour winds, pretty typical for this time of year. 71 our low tonight. That's actually a normal low temperature for us. So the low temperatures are where they should be. The high temperatures are a little bit warm. Mostly clear skies, and again, tonight, I'm not worried about fog. Basically, for the next 3 days, as you just saw, it'll be partly cloudy in the morning, becoming sunny in the afternoon, so averaging mostly sunny. Temperature's pretty uniform. The one difference is on Friday, you're going to notice the breeze a little bit more. It's going to feel like the upper 90s. Our temperatures come down a little bit Saturday through Tuesday, but don't get your hopes up. It's really not going to feel cooler because look at these overnight lows. That's the humidity coming back. Though it's temporarily dipped, it's going to be coming back. And so with more humidity, you're still going to have a bigger heat index. So yeah, it's still going to be feeling like the mid to upper 90s Saturday through Tuesday. At least there's a chance of rain to talk about, just not good chances. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, 10 and 20% chances, but many of us will be staying dry.